Hello everyone, I'm Solo Train Spotting and welcome to the Model Railway, but this isn't a Model Railway video, I just couldn't think of where to start this. So today is Monday the 25th of October and for the next few days I'm going to be up in Great Yarmouth, which is very nice for me because it's going to be lovely seeing brand new 755s and potentially an OHDT. So yeah, this video is just going to be a general overview of what happens, what I saw, and then I will do shorter videos in the coming days and weeks of what I see individually. So without any further ado, because this video is going to be quite long as it is, let's get to Great Yarmouth. Okay, so it's day 3 of my trip and today is exciting because we're going to be getting on a train. First time running a 755 and we're getting this train, the 1017 to Norwich. We're going to explore around Norwich, see some trains and see what's there. I've never been around here, so this is exciting elements in Norwich. Never been on a 755, so I could do a mini review and walk through shop. But yeah, let's see how it turns out.